Hey everyone, welcome back to the Friendly English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Noah. We're super happy you're here with us today.
Yes, and before we start, please don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us where you're listening from.
It really helps the podcast grow. Okay, ready, Emma?
Always ready. Let's get started.
So, Emma, how are you today?
I'm great, but also a little sleepy. I stayed up way too late last night.
Oh no, why? What were you doing?
I was organizing my closet.
At night?
Yes, at like 11:30 p.m. I suddenly thought, I need to rearrange everything.
Classic Emma. When inspiration comes, it comes.
What about you? How's your day going?
I'm good. I had a weird morning, though.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I accidentally put salt in my coffee instead of sugar.
No way!
Yes way. And I didn't notice until I took a big sip.
Ew, that must have been terrible.
It tasted like I drank the ocean.
That is the worst way to start a morning.
But anyway, the weekend is coming. Do you have any special plans?
Yes, I'm going to visit a small town near the mountains.
That sounds peaceful.
I hope so. I just want to walk, relax, eat something delicious, and take pictures.
What kind of food?
There's a bakery there that makes the best cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls? Okay, now I want to go too.
You can come.
Speaking of traveling, I remembered something funny that happened to me last year.
Oh no, this is going to be good. Laughs.
I was taking a bus to a small town, and I accidentally got off at the wrong stop.
Okay, that happens.
Yes, but the place where I stopped was literally a farm.
A farm?
With cows. Lots of cows.
Noah and the cows.
I looked around and thought, well, this is not the city center.
Did the cows welcome you?
They stared at me like I was the weirdest thing they had ever seen.
I mean, you were the weirdest thing they had seen. Laughs.
By the way, friends listening, if you're enjoying this conversation, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, and tell us in the comments what funny travel story you have. We want to read them.
Okay, back to the episode.
Noah, do you have a morning routine?
I try to have a morning routine.
That means no, right?
I wake up, drink coffee, with sugar, hopefully, and then I go for a short walk.
That's actually healthy.
What about you?
I stretch, drink water, make breakfast, and then I check my phone for way too long.
Ah, yes, the classic trap.
It's dangerous. I check one message and suddenly 30 minutes disappear.
That happens to everyone.
You know, Noah, many learners ask us, how can I practice English every day?
Yes, true.
My advice is simple. Listen to English for at least 10 minutes daily.
Exactly. Podcasts like this one are perfect.
And talk to yourself out loud.
Oh, yes. I do that sometimes.
Really?
Sure. I walk around my house saying, where did I put my keys? I put my keys here. Or here.
That counts as speaking practice.
Okay, Emma, do you have a hobby you don't usually talk about?
Yes, I like painting rocks.
Painting rocks?
Yes, you pick up a rock, paint cute art on it, and decorate your garden.
That is surprisingly adorable.
Thank you. What about you?
I like collecting old postcards from different cities.
Really?
Yeah, it feels like holding a little piece of history.
That's actually cool. Noah, if you had to eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Pizza. No hesitation.
That was fast.
What about you?
Rice and beans. Classic, warm, comforting.
That's healthy too.
And delicious.
Come on, Emma. Share an embarrassing moment.
Fine.
Here we go.
Last week, I waved at someone who was not waving at me.
Oh, no.
I waved so enthusiastically.
And?
The person behind me was the actual target.
Classic human moment.
I wanted to disappear.
Well, Emma, this was a long, fun, very real conversation.
Yes! We talked about daily life, funny stories, travel, food, habits, so many things.
And our listeners got lots of natural English listening practice.
Exactly what we want.
And friends, before you go,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
tell us your funniest daily life story.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye!
Bye! Wait, before we really finish, Noah, I thought of one more thing.
Oh, what is it?
You remember when you said you collect postcards? I thought that could be a fun mini segment. A small word, a big story. We pick one small word or phrase and tell a short, simple story about it. Good for listening practice.
I love that. Okay, small word, big story. You choose the first word.
All right. The word is habit. Habit.
Habit. Great choice. Short and useful. Can you give a sentence first?
Sure. My habit is to drink tea every evening.
Nice. Now, tell a tiny story about your habit.
Okay. When I was a student, I made a habit of writing one sentence in English every night. At first, it was hard. One sentence, just one. But after a month, I could write 3. After a year, I was writing a paragraph. Small habit, big change.
That's perfect. Listeners, that's a great tip. Small habits multiply. Do you want to add an example with habit in a question?
Yes. What habit helps you improve your English?
Easy to answer in the comments. Good mini segments. Okay, listeners, let's do a short listening practice. I'll speak slowly and then quickly. Listen for differences.
Ready.
Slow. I usually go for a walk after dinner to clear my mind.
I usually go for a walk after dinner to clear my mind.
Fast. I usually go for a walk after dinner to clear my mind.
Did you hear it? The meaning is the same, but natural speed sounds different. Keep listening and try to copy the faster sentence. It helps with rhythm.
Yes, try to say it out loud 3 times in a row. That's practice.
Now let's move into a short role play. This is good for practicing phrases you can use in real life.
Great. Scene. Emma is at a bakery, asking about ingredients. Emma, you'll be the customer. I'll be the baker. Keep it simple. Ready?
Hello, are these cinnamon rolls fresh today?
Yes, they are fresh. We baked them this morning. Do you have any allergies?
I'm allergic to nuts. Do these have nuts?
No, these do not have nuts. But we have cookies with almonds. Would you like 2 cinnamon rolls?
Yes, please. 2 cinnamon rolls and a coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Short role play. Use it to practice ordering food. You can change the words, do you have gluten-free bread? Or is this spicy? Simple variations, a million possible conversations.
Now, Emma, let's teach 3 quick expressions we use today. First, clear my mind.
Right. Clear my mind means to relax your thoughts, to stop worrying. Example, I take a short walk to clear my mind after work.
Second, have allergies. We use that in the bakery role play. If you can't eat or touch something because your body reacts badly, you have allergies. Example, I have a peanut allergy.
And third, baked this morning. Use baked for things cooked in an oven. These cookies were baked this morning. You can practice, this bread was baked yesterday.
Excellent. Short vocabulary, big use. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this episode, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Also, tell us which role play you want next week. A bookstore, a hospital, or a train station.
Yes, and don't forget to write your answers in English in the comments. We read them and sometimes use them on the show. Thank you. Okay, Noah, shall we keep going with a longer conversation? Maybe talk about learning mistakes?
Yes, let's be honest. Mistakes are normal. I'll start. I used to say, I am agree when I first learned English.
I am agree? That's a classic mistake. The correct form is I agree. You don't say am with agree.
Right. I said it so many times. People smiled and corrected me gently. After a while, I stopped, but the important thing is to keep trying. What was your funny mistake, Emma?
I once said, I have 25 years when I wanted to say, I am 25 years old. It was in front of a teacher. She laughed and said, nice math. But then she explained, now I always say, I am 25. Well, depending on my acting, I mean, my age.
Mistakes make great memories. They also make good examples. So here's a tiny correction lesson. Mistake. I have 25 years. Correct. I am 25 years old. Or simply, I am 25.
And another one. Don't say I am agree. Say I agree. Or I don't agree. Notice how the verb changes?
Now, a listening challenge. I'll say 3 sentences with small mistakes. If you're a learner, pause the audio and try to correct them in your head. Ready? Sentence 1. She live in a small house.
Pause and correct. She lives in a small house.
Sentence 2. We are go to the market tomorrow.
Correct. We are going to the market tomorrow. Or we will go to the market tomorrow.
Sentence 3. He don't like coffee.
Correct. He doesn't like coffee. Great. Little corrections make big differences.
All right, let's do a segment called Mini Debate. We pick a simple opinion and argue both sides briefly. Today's topic, are smartphones helping or hurting language learning? I'll take helping.
I'll take hurting. Go.
Smartphones help because you can listen to podcasts anytime, use language apps, and practice speaking with friends online. They make English part of your daily life.
True, but smartphones can also distract you. You open an app to study, and 10 minutes later, you're watching a video about cats. Focus is hard with constant notifications.
Good point. Also, people sometimes only use translation apps and never try to think in English. That's a downside.
But a balance is possible. Use smartphone tools to study, but set limits. No notifications for study time.
Agreed. Balance. Good debate. Listeners, what do you think? Leave a one-sentence opinion in the comments.
Now, time for the question of the day. This helps our listeners practice writing. Noah, what question will we ask today?
Today's question of the day. Describe one small habit you have that helps your learning. For example, I read one short English article every morning. Short answer, 1 or 2 sentences.
Perfect. Try to answer in English and keep it simple. We love reading your answers. We read them and sometimes highlight great ones in the next episode.
Before we go, let's teach a quick pronunciation tip. Many learners ask about the ed ending on past verbs. Listen, I walked, I watched, I played. The ed can sound like t, d, or id.
Right. If the verb ends in a T or D sound, the ed becomes id, like wanted. If the verb ends in a voiced sound, like L, N, G, it becomes D, played. If it ends in an unvoiced sound, like K, S, F, it becomes T, walked.
Practice these with 10 verbs today. Say them slowly, then faster.
Okay, Noah, time for our final short story. 1-minute story, simple language for listening. You start.
All right, 1-minute story. Yesterday, I lost my umbrella. I looked under the table, behind the chair, and in my bag. I could not find it. Then I remembered. I left it at my friend's house after coffee. I called my friend. She found the umbrella and said, "It's on my balcony." I walked there and took my umbrella. I was happy.
Short and perfect for learners. You can repeat it and practice the past tense.
Friends, thank you for listening to our episode today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is learning English.
Also remember, leave your answer to the question of the day, describe one small habit that helps your learning in the comments. We read them and we will reply.
And if you want a specific role play next week, bookstore, hospital, train station, tell us which one. We'll pick one and practice it with you. Thanks for practicing with us. Keep speaking, keep listening, and most of all, have fun.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Both laugh and fade out.